Welcome to Dharya Veda. The today's topic is Udarda, nothing but the allergic rashes or the reaction. Whereas in the previous video, we have seen that Shita Pitta is also a kind of allergic reaction of a body, also a skin element. Whereas the Udarda is the Kapha Pradhana, having the rough rashes or the stagnant rashes, whereas the Shita Pitta is not so much, it is Pitta Pradhana Tridosha Dushti. There will be a redness will be there, or the less severe kind of rashes will be there. So description, Udardam iti tam vidyat shitapittam atha apare vatadikam shitapittam udardastu kafadikaha. So what is Udarda? Udardam iti tam vidyat shitapittam atha apare. It is a one kind of a shitapitta. It is like a allergic reaction similar like the shitapitta, whereas vatadikam shitapittam. Shitapitta is the predominated by the vata. Udardastu kafadikaha, whereas the udarda is predominated by the kapha dosha. Here the rough and the very stable rashes, skin rashes will be there, which stays for a longer duration, whereas the in the Shita Pitta there will be a thin rashes will going to occur. This is the difference between Udarda and Shita Pitta, and Udarda is the one kind of allergic reaction as similar as the Shita Pitta. So what are the signs and symptoms of the Udarda? So utsangascha, skin lesions. Utsanga is nothing but the abrasions or the any kind of a swelling of the body. So skin lesions will be there. So ragascha, how the skin lesions will be there? That associated with the raga, redness of the skin, where the affected skin will be there, and also the burning sensation will be there. Reddish discoloration will be there. Kandu with this associated with a severe kind of itching, because it is a kapha pradhana. Kapha is the main vitiated lakshana of a kapha is nothing but the itching. So severe kind of itching will be there, where the person can't able to tolerate it. And mandalahi, the circular elevations going to occur in the body, and it go on spreading in the body. That makes the person socially disfigured and mentally upset. The person will be mentally upset, and this specially these signs and symptoms or the attacks of the Udarda are mainly going to occur in a Shishira Rutu. It aggravates during the Shishira Rutu. So what is the treatment for this? As these are not the diseases which are chronic for the life, which are killing the person physically, but whereas emotionally the person is going to be depressed because of the social disfiguration, what the rashes they are going to face in a this special kind of a seasons when they are exposing to the allergens. And how can we treat this? Udarda Prashamana Mahakashaya, as Charaka mentioned in the Mahakashaya concept. What are those? Tinduka, Priyala, Badara, Kadira, Kadara, Saptaparna, Ashwakarna, Arjuna, Asana, Arimeda. So these are the 10 drugs which are very beneficial in, mainly not very beneficial, these are meant for the treatment of a Udarda or treatment of any kind of a skin disorders, any kind of allergic skin disorder. What is the property of this Udarda Prashamana Mahakashaya? All the drugs here are the blood cleansers, the blood purifiers, and they will expel the vitiated pitta dosha, vitiated kapha dosha, vitiated vata dosha outside the body. And how can we treat? By the applying of the paste prepared from these, or lepana of this, or internally we can give a kadira arista, or we just the best is the saptaparna kalka application, and the Saptaparna Kwata in a 15 to 20 ml, we need to give in an interval of a 2 hours, 2 hours, 2 hours. We should give administer for the patient for 15 to 20 ml. The Udarda is going to subside, as all the drugs are blood purifier and anti-allergens and helps for the proper nourishment. They will and also they are having the some kind of a cremigna and the antihistamines also. That's why we can use these kind of drugs and we can easily treat the Udarda.